Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk all things about life, food, family, and fun, everything that affects us women on a daily basis. And so today we're doing something kind of fun. We're going to try and hack the Crest White strips and see if there's another product that can work better or just as good without all the pain. So if you're interested in finding out what that is and if it works, stay tuned and let's do this. I love having white teeth. I want to have white teeth, and normally I use these. These are the Crest White strips. This is the 1 hour express, and you do it for an hour for 7 days.
What's up?
What happened to your teeth?
I whitened them.
Really white.
I did leave the gel on a little longer than it said to.
How much longer?
A day.
But the problem is that after the first hour, my teeth are killing me. They're just, especially the bottom row. It doesn't seem like the top row really hurts that much, but I'm really sensitive to pain issues with these. Really, for a couple of days, it ends up hurting. My child is using a pogo stick outside. And someone's playing a drum to it now. Okay. This is what I get for trying to film in the afternoon. So I started looking online to see if there was any other thing that would work, and this is what I came across. It's called My Magic Mud. This is the toothpaste, and it has a mint flavor, but it is black. And then this is the Magic Mud. It's like a powder. And you're supposed to use this first, brush your teeth with this, and then you brush your teeth with this, and 30 days later, we're gonna check. So I wanted to see if this stuff actually worked or if it just scares children. Hey Zach, come in here.
What?
Come here. What?
What are you doing?
So I did this for 30 days and I didn't really see a huge difference. I'll insert some footage, a couple of photos of before and after of my teeth, and I put my teeth up to a white piece of paper to see if, just so that you could see exactly side by side if there is a difference. And there might have been a really slight difference. I didn't really notice a huge difference, but if you did this, indefinitely every day, you might see some pretty significant results over time. I don't think that it's a bad product, but I don't think it's like an express thing that's going to happen really fast. And so if you're looking for something that's really fast, this really isn't it. The nice thing about this is that there's zero side effects to this. There's no pain. There's no, sensitivity, none of that. I will, however, recommend, especially with this, if you brush your teeth with an electric toothbrush that spins, put this on your toothbrush, wet. Put that toothbrush in your mouth first, and then turn it on. Because the first time I did it, I went like this, turned it on, and pretty much sprayed my entire face with black spots. So it got all over my clothes, got all over my face. Really wish I had been filming when that happened, because that would have been good footage. But nonetheless, just a tip if you're going to use these. So then I went back to the Crest strips here, and I took a before and after of this as well, which I will insert the before and after. And the way that I got these to work is I put the strips on for 1 hour, and then the moment I took them off and brushed my teeth, I took an Aleve. And that lasted all day, and it really helped to minimize some of that soreness. I still felt it, but after like the third day, it seemed like my teeth were just kind of getting more used to it and not reacting quite as much. And so I think that if you take an Aleve or an Advil or something right when you are taking this off, it does really help. And between the before and the after, I didn't have huge yellow teeth, but I did notice a difference. And so for the money, I think that you should probably stick with this guy if you can stand the tooth sensitivity. This was $46.99 at CVS, and these things are not cheap. These are like 17 bucks a piece on Amazon, and so they're not cheap. Oh my gosh, the banging. Really? They've never done this, ever. It's like they know. Mom's filming. So my verdict is I'll continue to use this. This does make a mess, by the way. I mean, in your sink and everything. I mean, my sink is really clean because you have to wipe it out every single time. But I will keep using this to sort of maintain. But I think the Crest White Strips wins. Okay, ladies, that's everything for today's video. I hope you found this insightful and useful. And I do think both products are good. I think one's more maintenance and one actually makes a difference. But if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below on any other beauty hacks or thing that you would like for me to try out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. That's that red button at the bottom. Hit that subscribe button and the bell and you'll be notified of all future videos. I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And until next time, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired and I'll see you in the next video. See you, ladies.